What up, Turbo Gang? Well, I am working on the ep3 today. Back on it. Finishing up the body work so we can put this bad boy together. There's so many cool parts that are going on this thing. Let's see here. Yeah. Okay, series. Gotta take this door off. Doing a custom paint job. Some coilovers on it. Changing the whole color theme. Got the door off. Now, the update for this bad boy. It's all fixed. Radiator, condenser, starter, battery. It's all done. All done. Well, I gotta do spark plugs, and a buff job. So, the paint job messed up here. Gotta sand it back down here. A couple spots. So we're going to respray it, do some touch-up respray, and then finish her up. Like here, you see. There's some spots down there. See, over here and over here. So we're gonna do some touch-up, then re-clear, polish, detail, and she's out of here. She's done. It had the battery, well, which I thought the battery kept dying, but it wasn't a battery. It was a starter. So I'm gonna adjust the coilovers in the back a little bit more, make it look like that. And this thing's good to go. Then I painted my wife's rims. They came out so nice. I put some, it's hard to see it, but I put some crushed glass in that. And it came out nice. Yeah, we love Honda in this family. Alright, so just an update. This thing needs some, waiting for the paint and stuff to come in. Do the final touches on this one, and she's in clear coat it. It's done. Gotta go. In the meantime, start working on the ep3. Got a lot of body work to finish. It's coming out nice. Want to finish it, be done with it, get it done. This one's still for sale. Poor man's G-Wagon. This one I was gonna sell, but we're gonna probably keep this one now. Change the bed, fix it, change the interior, and fix the injectors. And paint the bed. Got a new bed for it. Interior, just change it. Then that one, this one. Wait till you guys see this, man. This one came from Florida, rust-free, no engine, no tranny. That's all you get to see for now. Alright, stay tuned, guys. Let's get to work. Alright, so took the door out, primered it. Got some more body work to do here. I had to really get that down. And what else? Now I got a big mess to clean up. Hoping to paint the door jambs by a couple days. Got to finish this up. And took a dent that was down there. That's gone. Paint the door jambs and the door and under the hood and all that fun stuff. And as soon as we can get the body work done, then we can do the mechanical work. Which is not much. I'm just adding like cold air intake, changing all these, turning everything black or red under the hood, basically. The pipes are over there, and badges, and parts everywhere. So, yeah, just want to get that done. And, yeah, stay tuned. We'll be doing more content in ep3. Can't wait to get this done. This one I'm keeping. This is gonna go in my collection. And I'm working on another car for the winter. Hopefully we get it. It's a 1986 Honda CRX. So I'm hoping to finish this, and maybe we can grab that, and that'll keep me busy over the winter. Something to do. And then before winter, I get my wife's truck done. That's gonna be a nice one. Power Stroke 6.0 build. Yeah, but we're keeping this one, man. The rims that we got from that Honda is going on this one. Put some spacers on it. Drop the suspension a little bit. Probably get it like that one. And yeah, good to go. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, it's finally nighttime. We're done for today. We are done for today. I think we have a Honda Civic problem. Oh. Yeah, we definitely have a Honda Civic problem. We love Hondas. I kind of like it without the doors. Alright, YouTube, till tomorrow. Out.